Today we will continue with the second lesson in chapter 6, solving equations using addition or subtraction. And what we're going to do today, by the end of the session, we will have a live problem showing how we can use equations to solve live problems. Okay, to start, let's take the same steps that we did yesterday. We started yesterday with this question. Tell whether the given value is a solution of the equation. We solved questions 1 and 3, and I left for you questions 2 and 4. So let's start with these questions. سالم أيمن. سالم أيمن. ضياء.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay, ضياء, you'll help me to solve question number 2.
Okay, teacher.
You have the equation 9 minus g equals 5, and you have a solution to check, which is g equals 3.
G is 3. The first thing, teacher, the G is 3.
Yes. So we substitute
and
3 for the g.
9 minus, I think 2 plus 9.
But it's not plus, it's minus, as you see here. 9 minus
to plus.
g. So again, let's write it again. It's 9
minus g equals 6.
minus the g equals 5. This is the given equation.
6.
Now I will remove the variable g, and what should I write?
3.
And we need to check if the left side and the right side are equal.
They are not equal because 6 and 5.
Yes, 6 is not equal to 5. So the solution g equals 3 is a solution, or the value g equals 3
it's not
is
a solution.
Excellent. So g equals 3. So g equals 3 is not a solution. Excellent, my hero. Thank you. Abdurrahman Safran.
What, teacher?
Yes, Abdurrahman. Question number 4.
Wait. Q divide 2.
Q over 2 equals 28.
Equal 4.
Where is the 4?
What, teacher?
Q over 2 equals 28. And the value that you have to check is...
That means 2 divide 28 equal 14.
Why do you say this? Why do you say this? Because you said 2 divided 28. How? It's Q divided 2. Again, what is the equation? Again?
Q divide over 2.
Q divided 2 or over 2 equals 28. What should you do? Substitute 14 for the Q. So erase this Q, the variable, and
divide
write the number. What is the number that you need to check?
14.
And you'll check if the left side and the right side are the same. So I will put question mark here. Okay, let's check it.
I will close the door then I'll come. No, wait.
My hero, quickly. My hero, do not go anywhere. Abdullah.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Quickly, Abdullah. 14 divided by 2?
14 divided by 2 equals 7, teacher.
And the left side is 7 and the right side is 28. These two are equal?
No, teacher.
No. So the given value 14, is it a solution?
No, not solution.
Excellent. So Q equals 14 is not a solution. Okay, thank you, my hero. Thank you, Abdullah. So, my heroes, that's how you check if the given value is a solution. Any problems about these questions?
No, teacher. They are very easy.
But you still solve wrong for these questions. You should know the steps. And my heroes, I want you to write the whole steps. So, when I ask you any question, if you don't have space in the book, or for the practice, inshallah, you need to use a piece of paper for the practice. Okay? So, you need to get ready with a piece of paper.
May I ask a question? Teacher,
any problems? Faris, Fahad, any problems?
Me Fahad, teacher.
Okay. Faris first, what is your problem?
My problem is that the first day of this lesson, 6.2, which was yesterday, some of the equations we used to convert the minus into plus and the plus into minus, but in what situation do we do that?
Okay. This comes next now for the next questions.
Okay.
You'll see.
Teacher, I have a question.
Okay, Diya, please wait. Fahad?
Teacher, I am the same for Faris. Why
Okay, you'll see now. Yes, Diya?
That I didn't finish writing. Can you...
Okay, but you should finish quickly, my hero.
Okay. Wait, put it back.
In these questions, are we solving the equation? No, we are not solving the equation. We have a solution that we have a value that we need to know if it is a solution or not a solution. So we are checking the solution. So in these questions, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we are not solving, we are checking. And this is very important, and we may need it for the next part when we solve, because we need to check our answer if it's correct or not. Okay, is there anyone writing?
No, I don't think so. No.
Diya?
I finished.
Okay. Now let's move to these questions. We solved question 5 before. Let me remind you how we solved question number 5. I'm sorry, my hero, we should move to the next part. If you miss anything, I'll leave the video in cluster. Okay, I'll write question number 5 and I'll solve it again for you. This is the number of the question, number 5. And the equation that we have is k minus 3 equals 1. This is the equation. What do we have here? We have a variable, which is k. K is the variable. So the first thing that you should find is where is the variable. Then when you have the variable, or when you know where is the variable exactly, you should see if there is anything with the variable in the same side. In the same side we have minus 3. with the variable k, we have minus 3. We need to remove this minus. So we use something that we called yesterday the inverse operation. Remind me, what is the inverse operation of subtraction?
Teacher, I'm sorry, can I say it?
Yes.
It is to undo the equation.
Yes, how to undo, not the equation, the subtraction. How to undo the subtraction. What is
addition.
the inverse of subtraction? Again?
Addition.
Yes, exactly. So we need to do the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. So we add 3. In this case, I like to do it like this. I like to leave a space here and continue writing the equation. K minus 3 equals 1. As we said, we need to add what number? Add the number that we need to remove. We need to remove the 3. So we need to add 3. And using addition property of equality, you cannot add to one side unless adding to the other. So we should add also 3 to the other side. So if you add any number to one side, you should add the same number to the other side. Now, let's continue. Here we have minus 3 and plus 3. These two are inverse operations.
What does inverse operation mean?
Opposites. They undo each other. When I say subtract 3, then add 3, what will happen? It's exactly as if you don't do anything. So, when you subtract 3, then add 3, this means that you're not doing anything. So, these two are opposites or inverse operations, so they undo each other. So, I can cancel them. What do I have left in the first side? The variable alone. Yes, the variable k alone. Nothing with k. And now move to the other side, the right side. We have 1 plus 3, which is 4. As you see now, we have a value for k, which is 4. So let's check it. Like questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's check it. How to check it? Simply substitute. This is the question down here. Substitute 4 for the k. So I will write here 4 minus 3. And I'll check if this is equal to 1. Of course, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So it's equal to 1. So k equals 4 is a solution?
Yeah.
Yes, so k equals 4 is a solution because as you can see down here, it gives 2 equal sides. Okay, let's do the same now with the next question. Go question number 6.
Yes.
I need help for this one. So, Abdelaziz Shahab.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Abdelaziz. The equation is n minus 10 equals 4. I will write the equation. And since I know that I may need to add or subtract, so I will leave a space here. And you tell me, what should I do?
Will subtract. Subtract.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening. You said subtract.
1 minus 10. 1 minus 10, 9.
N minus 10 equals 9. What do you mean? Okay, I'll ask some questions and you answer me. Okay, Abdelaziz?
Yes.
Okay, where is the variable?
N.
So we do not know the value of n yet. We need to find the value of n. Okay? Do you have anything in the same side with n?
No.
But we have this 10, minus 10.
We have only minus 10.
Okay, so we need to remove this minus 10. How to remove it? Use the inverse operation. The inverse of subtraction. What is the inverse of subtraction? The opposite of subtraction.
Plus.
Plus, so we add 10 to both sides. And now, here we have minus 10 and plus 10. They undo each other. So I'll cancel them. What do we have left?
4 plus 10.
N equals, yes?
N equal, 4 plus 10 equal 14. And 14.
Excellent. Now, let's check the answer. I will go down here and I will check the answer down here. So, the value that you have now is 14. Let's check it. Substitute 14 for n, so 14 minus 10 equals 4. Is it correct? 14 minus 10 equals 4?
Yes.
Yes. So if you need to check if the right side and the left side are equal, yes, it will be 4 equals to 4. So n equals 14 is a solution.
For the solution.
Excellent point here. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Okay, the next question. Amir?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, my hero, in question number 7.
15 equals R
I will
minus
leave a
6.
space here also. 15 equals, okay.
R minus 6.
Okay, where is the variable?
R.
Do you have anything with the variable on the same side?
6.
So let's remove this minus 6. How to remove it? The inverse operation of subtraction is?
Plus
Yes.
6.
So we add 6 to the left side and to the right side.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the left side. 15 plus 6?
15 plus 6, 21.
And to the right side, minus 6 and plus 6, they undo each other. So I will cancel them. What do we have left?
You put R.
So the value for R is?
21.
Let's check it in the question. So 15, we need to check if 15 is equal to, we'll check it, so I put question mark, and R is 21 minus 6. Let's check it. So 15 equals, 21 minus 6 equals?
21 minus 6 is 15.
So the value that we are checking is correct. The value is 21, so it's correct.
Yes.
Thank you, Amir. Great work, my hero. Okay, my
Teacher,
heroes.
I didn't get number 7.
Please finish writing quickly. Yes, Faris. Question number
I don't
7.
get number 7.
Okay. What is your problem? Why we added 6?
No, I just didn't get it.
You should tell me exactly what is the problem. You don't know. I will ask you questions and you can respond to me. Do you know why we add 6?
Why?
I'm asking you, do you know?
No.
No. We add 6 because we have minus 6 with the variable here, R. And to remove the minus 6, we do the inverse operation of subtraction. So we use addition. So we use plus 6. Okay?
Okay.
Now, when you add 6 to 15, it will be 21. Minus 6 and plus 6, they undo each other. So you have left in the right side R only.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No.
Is there anyone writing?
No. Nothing, teacher.
Okay, let's move to the next question. And the next question is question number 9 here. And for this question, I write it here in the left side. If you don't have space in your book, you can use a piece of paper. You can use the notebook. Omar al-Tamim.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, Omar, in question number 9, the question is 9 equals y plus 6. Where is the variable?
Y.
Do you have anything with the variable? Any numbers with the variable?
No.
Oh, what about this one?
Yeah,
You said the
6.
variable is y. Okay, plus 6. How to remove it?
We cancel the right.
How to cancel it? How to cancel the 6? Do the opposite of addition, the inverse of addition. What is the opposite or the inverse of addition? It's subtraction.
Minus.
Yes, so we need to subtract 6.
To be
Okay.
0.
But we subtract 6 from both sides. We call this subtraction property of equality. We should subtract 6 here also, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it will be
9 minus 6.
yes.
Three.
And the right side, of course, plus 6 minus 6, they undo each other.
0.
Okay, you have 0, but I see that you have y left, the variable.
Y.
So, Omar, you need to focus that the reason for doing this, the meaning of solving equation is finding the value for the variable, finding the value for y. Okay, so that's what we are doing. We are trying to find the y. Okay, let's check it, Omar. So 9, we will check if it's equal to 3 plus 6. Is it correct? 9 equals 3 plus 6 equals 9. So, yes, it's correct. Okay, Omar, any problems?
No.
Okay, my hero.
Teacher, very easy. والله حرام عليك. Swear. Very easy.
Fahad, stop using your mic, please. Abdurrahman,
Teacher.
go ahead. No, not this Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Naim.
Okay. Thanks. Teacher, hi, I'm Abdurrahman Naim. Do you listen to me?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay.
In the next question, we have 13 plus m. I write it
Plus
down
m.
here. 13
Yes.
plus m
M
equals
equals
20.
20.
Okay, where is the variable?
He want the variable
Yes.
that the m.
Okay, so we need to remove.
The 13.
It's added to m, so use the opposite or the inverse of addition.
Yeah.
What is the inverse of addition?
The what, teacher?
The inverse of addition. The inverse of plus, the opposite of plus.
The opposite of plus is subtract.
So we subtract the same amount, 13, from both sides.
Yes.
And now,
And
plus 13 and minus 13 undo each other, so we have left m. And
left
in the right
m,
side?
And the 20.
Why 20? It's 20 minus 13. No,
the 20 minus 13.
Yes, my hero, I need the value.
The value of the m is 7.
Exactly. So let's check it here. We have 13 plus m, and m you said is 7, the value that we have. We need to check if this is equal to 20.
Yeah.
13 plus 7, is it 20?
Yes.
Yes, so the solution is correct. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman.
Welcome, teacher.
My heroes, is there anyone writing?
Yes, teacher, me Fahad. I will finish.
Okay, quickly, Fahad.
Teacher, is there quizzes today?
Yes, inshallah.
Why, Mr. Is there quizzes today?
Yes.
Teacher, me Fahad, I finish.
Okay, Fahad. Okay, in the next page, my heroes, we have a life problem. And for this life problem, I'll use this page. Your aunt gives you $50 to help you buy a reflector telescope shown. After you buy the telescope, you have $25.50 left. How much money did you have before your aunt gave you $50? So, use verbal model to write an equation that represents the solution. Then solve the equation. The verbal model, starting amount in dollars plus aunt's money in dollars minus the telescope price in dollars equals the amount left in dollars. Let's use now numbers. We don't know the starting amount, but we know that your aunt gives you $50 and the price of the telescope is $275.95. It's written here in the picture, as you see. And we know the amount left is $25.50. Now let's write an equation, but we don't have a variable. So we need to use a letter for the variable. So let S be the starting amount. And the equation will be S plus 50 minus 275.95 equals 25.50. And now let's undo this addition and this subtraction. So we will start by undoing the subtraction. When you add the number that you need to remove from subtraction here to both sides, using addition property of equality, you need to simplify. Then you get the equation S plus 50 equals 301.45. Now let's undo the addition. So the opposite of addition, or the inverse operation of addition, is subtraction. So we subtract 50 from both sides. And plus 50 minus 50 undo each other. So we have left S only. And in the right side, 251.45. Okay, any problems?
No.
Okay, I'll stop sharing now and I'll send to you the link.